As a Haitian American, it's tough for us in our community. Now, if you are not Haitian American, let's say you are American or you are of any other beautiful nationality, Haitians love you. They flock to you. They're proud of you, and they want you to continue learning Haitian Creole. You will rarely experience what I'm going to tell you. You will rarely experience it. Haitians love non-Haitian speakers from different countries. They will flock to you. They will open their arms up to you. They will give you water and food. Your experiences are mwah. But once you're Haitian American, they know your parents are Haitian, and you struggling with the language, baby, get ready. Get ready, okay? Why? Because we're family. Like, more is expected of us. We get, like, comments like, ou pa fet boy sit la, non? Ou pa kreye lou. Langou lou. Or the one that I can't stand this one. They be like, sa blandi? That means, what did the white person say? I hate that one. Mind you, they mean well. And mind you, it's not all Haitians. But I'm going to be very real with you. You will get that when you're learning Haitian Creole or trying to improve your Haitian Creole. You will get those type of people. But again, like I said, it's family. That's just how family be. And sometimes it's just so discouraging. I'll share you a story. I remember I went to a Haitian restaurant and I spoke in Haitian Creole. I did everything that my grandparents told me to do when I go into what they called la société, when you go into public. I said, bonjour, comment y moi ta remen, commande yon plat griot, whatever. And the lady, like, she looked at me and then she looked at her friend and she's like, sa blandi? And I'm like, I'm standing right in front of you. Like, I heard what you said. Like, it broke me because I'm coming into your restaurant. I'm giving you my best of my best self to order food because I'm excited to support the business. I'm excited. And then you look at me in my face and you say, sa blandi. Excuse me? Like, lady, and I gave tip too. You know what? That's besides the fact. So then I know for next time when I go up there, I'm going to be a little less formal. Maybe that's on me. Maybe I'll just be like, hey, well, Baz, bon mou plat griot, sa ou gen nan cuisine nan jodi an. Sak sou menu. Maybe if I do that, maybe I'll be more Haitian. I don't know. But anyways, as a Haitian American, we are always getting the brunt of it, okay? So, Haitian American basically means I'm American. I was born and raised in this country, and my family are from Haiti. So, we have more on our plate and more is expected of us. For example, it's like sometimes some Haitians think that we should automatically know how to speak Haitian Creole. Our brain should automatically know these words and numbers in Haitian Creole. Some of them, not all of them, don't realize that each circumstance is different, Number one, as a Haitian American, we were born in America, raised in America. The cereal I ate was in America. The TV shows I watched was in English. My teacher was teaching me in what? English. My thoughts were what? In English. My experiences were different than a child who was born and raised in Haiti. I didn't have total immersion, despite the fact that from a young age, we would always travel to Haiti. So I have some experiences and I have some knowledge of the culture of Haiti because of that. But it's still not the same. The Haitian from Haiti and the Haitian American, it's not the same experience. It's still different. Growing up, I grew up with 3 languages in my household: English, Haitian Creole, and French. My parents mostly spoke English to me. My grandparents spoke Haitian Creole to me. And at home, we would speak French here and there, but French was my first formally studied foreign language. So read, write, and spoken French. The French really, it helped me learn the Haitian Creole, but it didn't. When it came to speaking Haitian Creole orally, it was a breeze. However, when it came to reading and writing Haitian Creole, because of the background in French, it was just so confusing. I was so used to saying U and but in Haitian Creole, there's no U, there's no The thing is, some Haitians were born in Haiti, but at a young age, they were adopted by non-Haitian parents who moved to countries where Haitians don't really live there. And so they didn't have the opportunity to learn Haitian Creole. That's one. Two, a lot of us Haitian Americans, when our parents came to the United States, there was this thing going around at the time that if you spoke too many languages to your child, it can delay their speech. So the parents then just would choose to just speak English only to their children. So that's why I say some of us grew up speaking English in the household. We didn't really speak Haitian Creole unless it was like a private matter or something your parents had to tell you in public, but they didn't want everybody else hearing. Or three, you may be mixed. Maybe let's say your dad is, I don't know, Nigerian and your mom is Haitian, or your dad is Jamaican, your mom is Haitian, your mama is white and your dad is Haitian. And you guys mostly grew up speaking dad's language in the house or mostly grew up speaking English, so you didn't have the opportunity to learn Haitian Creole. Some actually really do have a strong Haitian accent. They sound very natif natal. Congratulations to those Haitian Americans. I am proud of you. But to those of us Haitian Americans that, we have an accent when we speak Haitian Creole, let me tell you something. It's okay. It's okay to have an accent when you speak Haitian Creole as an American, as a Haitian American specifically. Your accent is beautiful. As a matter of fact, my husband loves my whatever accent I got going on. Sometimes I sound American speaking Haitian Creole. Sometimes I sound French speaking Haitian Creole. It all depends on the time of the day and how much food I ate that day. But one thing that I want to tell you is not to give up. Don't give up. I didn't give up. I'm not going to give up. I will continue learning to speak Haitian Creole, and I will continue to speak Haitian Creole no matter what anybody has to say about my accent. A lot of Haitians that come to America, despite having accent, they're doctors, they're lawyers, they're teachers, they benefit society despite having an accent. So you can do the same too for your community, even if you have an accent. I know for me, there's certain things that I didn't understand in the culture, like proverbs, expressions, or just certain words in Creole. And sometimes I would ask the older generation. Some of them would be very annoyed and impatient, like, but then, some of them will be very patient because they see that you are learning. And another thing too, some Haitians, like I said, it's not all of them. They'd be like, wow, à pas ou parler créole? Qui j'en fait parler créole ou fait boy sit là? Like, they're like, oh, wow, you learn Haitian Creole? How, you speaking Haitian Creole? How do you speak Haitian Creole? You were born here. They're very happy. You, as a Haitian American, you play a vital role in your community. From young ages, we're interpreters. Mommy has mail. You're learning to read and interpret and translate for mom. You're having to carry, a lot of responsibility, especially if you're a first generation American. It's a lot. It's a lot on us Haitian Americans. I'm talking about the language aspect, but I'm not even talking about like all the other stuff that we have to deal with as Haitian Americans or maybe even first generation Americans. My favorite Haitian Creole proverb is Tikras patikras, zoazo en fait nichli. Little by little, the bird makes its nest. You're not going to get from 0 to 100 Haitian Creole overnight, okay? It's going to take time for you to learn Haitian Creole. Tell me in the comments, are you Haitian American? What have you gone through?